So I'm taking a break from putting away my boys' toys, and there's something I need to tell you. It's Monday and the start of a new week, and I'm looking for 5 people who are wanting to start their own online business today. Now, I'm not here to sell you some bullshit course or ebook. I'm not here to upsell you on the back end. That's bullshit too, and that's been done to me, and I'm not about that. I'm not going to do that to you. Now, here's what makes what I offer so much different than anything else out there. Once you sign up for your online membership, I will teach you for free how to be successful. Everything is for free. The training, your app, your lead generation app, by the way, everything is for free. Now, anything else out there, once you sign up, they will upsell you in the back end for the training.
I'll hate your business. Good luck making any sales.
They don't care about your success. They don't. It's money in their pocket.
Thank you. Come again.
The difference is here is that I care. I want you to be successful. The business allows you to make money and save money. And at the same time, who doesn't need that right now? And you're not techie? That's fine. We handle all the techie stuff in the back end. Email marketing, funnels. You get a free app. Great. So literally for only $200, you could get started today and become profitable today. Who's in? Send me a text.